Welcome to Cooking with Dr. Sonu. Today we're making my Fakin Bacon BLT. So I love BLTs. The product that I love to use instead of bacon is Tempeh bacon. So this is made by Lightlife. You can find this in most grocery stores. I found this in Safeway the other day, but I know Whole Foods and PCC also sell it. I love it. So it's got this smoky, umami soy flavor, and it's just delicious. So we're going to cook this up. I'm also going to use my favorite condiment ever, Follow Your Heart Vegenaise. I love to use this as an egg substitute instead of mayonnaise. I'm going to be using 100% whole wheat bread. This is the one that I happen to have today. Another brand that I love is called Squirrely. You can get it from Whole Foods. It's also whole grain, but this is delicious. And I get the thinly sliced one. It's only 70 calories a slice. Really, really good. Keeps me full. We're going to use some tomatoes, and I actually have my bread here, already toasted, ready to go. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and take my Lightlife Fakin Bacon. I'm going to cut it and cook it on my stove top here, probably on medium heat. I want it to have a nice golden brown char to it. So I'm going to cut this open. I would probably recommend a few slices of this. You can actually cook more of it and then use it in like a Caesar salad. It goes delicious as a topping for Caesar salad too. Okay, and I'm going to use some organic avocado oil. I love using avocado oil. It's delicious. Very mild flavor. So I'm going to take some of this tempeh bacon. I'm going to fry it up. There it goes. Might not stay intact, not a big deal. And remember, we're not using any dairy in this recipe, so yeah, it might seem like I'm adding a lot of oil. You do want flavor on this tempeh bacon. It's not cooked at all, and it doesn't really have fat of its own because it's plant-based. So cook it in a little bit of oil. Perfect. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and give this a flip. Perfect. So this is what you want to see. You want it nice and golden brown, just like that. Okay, I'm going to turn my heat off. Oh, and you might notice I have a wonderful friend here today. My wonderful friend has been contributing to a lot of noise in this episode. So let's say hello to Miss Luna. Luna, come here, girl. Let's say hello. This is my border collie. Her name is Luna. She's 6 months old, full of energy, true puppy mode, and wonderful. Thanks so much for getting my pants nice and brown. Thanks, Luna. All right, so I'm going to start by putting some vegenaise on my toasted bread. Be generous with your vegenaise. There's no other real fat source in this sandwich. Perfect. And add a little bit more to the other side. Great. Okay, next I like to layer this with my cooked tempeh, which is nice and golden brown on both sides. So I'm going to use about 4 slices. Wonderful. Just like that. Okay, next I'm going to layer this with my tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my butter lettuce. Okay, I'm going to finish it with some pepper. And some salt. Perfect. Okay, time to assemble. Here it is. Okay, one more item you can add to this, which I didn't, is avocado. I added vegenaise already, and so I don't want any more avocado or any other fat source. I think this is good for me, but you definitely can add a little bit of an avocado to it also. Okay, so there it is. So this is my vegan BLT. Yay! Now we get to try it. Mmm, this is so good. So the first thing that I taste is the vegenaise. So delicious, so creamy. I love the smokiness of the tempeh. It's got this like soy, sweet, very comforting flavor. I can taste the liquid smoke. I don't know if you've ever tried liquid smoke in your products. Delicious. Highly recommend this. You can put some avocado in it or jalapenos, if you want a little bit more flavor. This is delicious. Please give it a try. It's my Fakin Bacon BLT. It's good for the animals. It's great for the environment. I hope you'll consider this wonderful plant-based option. Thank you guys so much for following my channel. I really appreciate all you subscribers. It really keeps the channel going. Thank you. Bye. Have a great week.